In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a change order in QuickBooks Online. Now I'm going to show you this inside the test drive version of QuickBooks Online. It's pretty much the same as if you were using the original version. However, there's some demo data in here, which is for demo purposes only, okay? So just so you know. Now, to actually create a change order, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left here, hover over all apps, and you want to go into Customer Hub, okay? Then you want to go to Estimates inside Customer Hub over here, and it's gonna pop up all your estimates, and you want to click on the one where you want to create a change order. So I'm just gonna click on a random one. It's gonna be this first one over here, and I'm gonna click on View/Edit. Now it's gonna take you in here, and then this is where you can basically edit it. Again, this is just some demo data, as you can see. So if I scroll down over here, you can see product or service. Now this is where you can basically create a change order. You can go to the first empty line. In my case, it's the fourth one, and I can go and add whatever extra thing I want, okay? So a change order, for example, I want to add some design work. Let's just do that. I'm gonna click on over here. You could go in, of course, like click on any of these if it's relevant, or you could add new over here. And if you add new, you can then select your product or service info. I'm gonna click on service over here. I'm going to name this one extra design work, something like this. Then you have to put it into category as well, and of course you also have to put in the over here where you want to put the income account. So I'm just going to go and select a random one over here. For your case, of course, you must select the one that's actually relevant to your case. Actually, we're just going to leave it like it is over here under services, and yeah, that's essentially it. Of course, you can add descriptions, SKU, whatever. Okay, for now I'm just going to click on save and close, and it's going to allow me to save and close. Now, that way, of course, we've added the change order, but now we have to add the amount as well. So I'm just going to put it at $100 like this, and there we go, it's been added. Now, if you want to, for example, for bookkeeping or something like this, you could add over here where it says a product or service, and then add a subtotal, which is going to appear in here, and it's going to calculate everything, okay? So that's essentially how you do it. Then you have to click on review and send, and it's going to give you a review over here, and then you'll be able to send it again, okay? So that's how to create a change order. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.